Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. Today's demo day, and before we start building your deck, we have to demo the existing deck, and that's pretty common. So you never know what we're going to get, and we'll show you here. This is real world stuff. A landscaper came in and did a retaining wall here. We're going to come in and we're going to do a new composite deck for this customer. So if you look around, you'll see the deck as it is. Come over here. The landscaper's already cut off the end of the deck so they could put in the new retaining wall behind there. You can see some of the pieces over here already that we have taken off and the landscapers have taken off as we demo today. Now what we're going to do here is get this completely out of here. We have a dumpster coming tomorrow after we get this cut up and ready. We don't want to leave a dumpster, for days in people's driveway or in the street. Always check with your township, because some townships do not allow for, or at least without a permit, a dumpster in the street. So always coordinate that. For us, what we try to do is have everything ready. We can put it in the dumpster, have it dropped off one day, picked up, and scheduled to pick up the next day, so that there really isn't a whole lot there. So that's what we're going to do here. Is we're going to have that demoed today and tomorrow, get it all cut up, ready to go into the dumpster. Dumpster will arrive tomorrow. Everything gets installed into the dumpster and then picked up the following day. And then from there, we will clear the area out. We'll take care of any footings that need to be addressed and done. And then from there, we'll start rebuilding the deck for the customer. So this is day one, demo day. And this is what we do for DRP Enterprises and for what we can do for your deck as well. So this will be the first thing that you'll see us do when we do a rebuild. If this were a new build, then the one big difference would be, and that's what happens when you get a permit and you have to do footings, the footings have to be inspected first. They have to be 36 inches deep. So a lot of customers, you have to explain to them, as I'm explaining on this video, is that we're going to dig holes and then we have to wait for an inspection. And we just can't keep right on going. But once that's clear and we've got the footings inspected, we can go ahead on to framing. So again, that's what we're going to be doing here, as we do on new decks. Take care of the framing, the footing. Always make sure that that's solid. You put a new deck or build a new deck, you want a really solid foundation. Good bones on the deck, and we'll make sure you do. And then we go to town from there, and as we progress with this job, we'll do more videos and show you this from beginning to end. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and thanks for visiting us on Demo Day.